Hello all. Spotify live jam in here URL.
Sup in the hell. Hello, welcome back to Asphalt Legends Unite. On this episode 239. Just a fat Checksum MP because I feel really fat. I weighed actually 250 pounds now today. I feel uncomfortable actually breathing and doing stuff. Enjoy actually the live stream, but all the while I'm going short to bedroom. It is right now actually close to, maybe we can say actually 6 o'clock 39 p.m. here right now in Bavaria, Germany. I feel lousy, hungry, and also I have to say, god dang, I didn't sweat today, but I was drinking more than I just was working. Difficult actually in here and some construction work there, compound to construction works. I was drinking. I think it's going to be actually a kind of a Christmas way or something. I should actually stop then drinking the next times. I should start actually to, you know, in the negative side, actually gain weight. Today is just a checksum. I just want to check these legend pass out. I just need to be done on the daily or special events. Maybe multiplayer. That's why I call it MP as well. The career, you know, can't go forward. We have to wait actually a complete half month that I just get blueprints like in here right now. So yeah. That's all I can say. Enjoy. I was so tired. Can't even drive this one. Stupid ash, stupid mortar today. Man, what the kind of shit day it was. They're getting warmer or something. Oop. Crazy. I don't even want a car of these. Is it possible to drive? Oh, okay, gotcha. As fast as you can. Yeah, sure. Pinned up actually some music for you guys if you just want to listen a little while, folks. For fuck's sake. Does I have these can closer? I don't want to get out. Tripped already 3 times, so the bubbles in the beer already must be too good shaken off. Are too loud or something? You're missing actually the music from the game, right? I don't like, because I have headset on and the earplugs in myself. I mean, it's just like actually just say, okay, this is not okay. Can't listen to the music in the game itself and the earplug music from the Spotify out. This is bullcrap. I feel stuffed today. It's not over yet. I should shut the fuck up, right? Let me know that. You know, the commentaries. Have fun. Ce s-a capit na žrovice, niso ljudsko prosti nek špim. Oh, this is cold. Dessert life. Desert life. Aim actually for Christmas Day. Look at that. There's snowmen out there. Are you kidding me? the car so slow? I couldn't win. 122 or something I need. What the fuck? Why's this car so slow when I go a little bit in the corner? Oh, come on. 121. What fuck shit is this? Not the fuck worth. Touch drives driving? You're slower than that time. 135. These D cars? Yeah, sure. Sure. Fuck this. Daily challenge is so fun out. Sooner enough. The day's coming sooner than I thought. Gambarmas! Hello? What the fuck, man? With something. That's realistic. I'll take it. It's over 20k. Oh, for the trash. So, the itch, right, gun, gun, right, nuts. Tusen op campagne for this review, so let's go for the next stream. Whoa, what the hell? Too much of a blind. Dang! 10 seconds left. Then I lost. Let me guess, some drifting hours as well. Meters. Ooh. Finish the race with 8 stunts. Are you kidding me? Five times. One burial. I don't know. One left. Damn it. Papa, it was fun. Let's do it again. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and it's on usage. Right. Nah. I watched the time, 1 minute 1. Oh my gosh. I couldn't deal down that one. There's too many actions. 8 times stunned, 364 times. Let's see what I get anyway. Nothing. Nothing. What's these with these finish the race stunts 8? Huh? Okay, how many stunts I need to deal done? That was more than 8. Oh my gosh. Genki death? I'll be a bit pissed. How could that be happened, man? What do I mean with stunts then? Last time. Cheers. Weird. It doesn't matter what kind of a time. Just do actions. What do you want to get? 6 seconds airtime. Where? Nope. Where? Splat. Splat. The fuck? Not even 3 seconds. It's bullshit. They 4.5 seconds airtime and 12 stunts. Well, let's see what's coming up now. How unfair that is. Oh, that's it? Hello? That was more than 8 stunts. Okay, airtime, everything is okay with that stuff. This game is totally fucked up. Everybody saw that, right? I have 3 times to prove. I think this is like you have... What is it then? Are you kidding me? This crack. Ah, here we go. That's the thing. 45 for the final rounds to unlock the 6 airtime seconds. Blah blah blah. What was that? Nothing. I was stealing down the 8 stuns. Finish the race. What is wrong with this game? Oh, puke. I'm sorry. What the hell then? I'm disappointed. Non-discore. Superheroes, man. You can deal down whatever you want to deal down with. Nothing goes. Well, the only request I know in future is this chorus, but you don't claim it? Some of the crack? Trash. Trash rate. So much about the Lash and Pass. Brings you nothing. Where do you want to go? No, 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 no. These cars actually go forward with the career mode. That's the point. That's it. We're surely done actually with this one. Okay, but what happened? Nothing. Oh yeah, we need the BMW. What happened? She get that bag. I think it's cracked. What the hell? What is this crap? Spoiler tires. What the fuck? I don't care. I don't have the Porsche, I don't have the Corvette, I had a Lamborghini. What the hell? It's just bullshit parts we don't need. My stomach turns around. Simply bullshit. How much we need? 158 actually for the next. This is so bullshit. This legend pass is just a bullshit, brother. Yeah. Finish a race in a special event. Finish a race. No problem. We get that. I need to go to the toilet and finish first in daily events. 3 times. I think, guys, we get that. And then we have to wait. I think tomorrow or today? Let's see. Oh, my heart is cramping already. I say so. It's not taking long actually. Next year or something. Coffin 36. Wood nails actually ain't done. Why I'm eating all the time so much? I'm an idiot. If now then never. Some kind of actually final love. Is that what are you calling that? A crash or something, right? I feel terrible today. I don't want to eat something today. And I love salad. Oh my gosh. Little chicken in there, nothing more. Or fish, doesn't matter. And a lot of salad, man. Cucumber, radicchio, tomatoes. A little sharp. Hot, I mean. Carrots. What's that? Carrots? Carrots? Carrots. Olives. Maybe a little potato, a little bit cut in. Something like that. Can't have me with that. I don't eat meat. Definitely not. Something like that would be a worth. Not these junk food I'm eating all the times out of the can or actually made it up by water system supply. Or milk, pancakes or something. There's 80% sugar actually in there. Rest is beef. It makes fat anyway on yourself. Look at my toilet, it's so clean. Blinking. Well, I see actually on the other construction site there. I wish I could bring actually my brush with. Man, it's yellow. It's the shit everywhere. The completely apartment is cleaned up like hell. Today my heartbeat is like dung 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 dung. I didn't drink yesterday. £250, 125 kilograms. Normally they say you don't need to work anymore until January, but we're still working. When I can calculate actually to have winter time, a winter break. So already I'm eating actually like I have winter break, but I have to work in the same time. This is bullshit. For taking care of myself, I get cancer anyway. I know that. This fat is melting. Running around, taking a walk for the next 3 weeks before the work is starting again, and I will get definitely cancer. told you this far, so it's dead. First in daily events. Oh, still covered. Picking up in 2 days. Oh, okay. 18th December then. But that's January it makes up in 16 days. What's that, 3rd January or something? Holy crack. 2 days suffering in 14 hours. Creep. This is a special event you have to go. Have fun. Ah, we can't drive anymore. You have to pump up your vehicle. Once I just want to see, you can deal down that one. 1 minute and 2. I can't remember the track anymore. Let's do it. Cheers up. Why is it evil? Ah, come on. Ah, I couldn't get it on that one. Yeah, in the end, the car looks fast. Damn it. So close. Could be a 20k, man. 3 times for winning here. What the hell? Whoa, are you kidding me? But I say a D card we have to use. Oh, that's poor. Let's work the intro. Turn in. Counting as winning as well. $60K. What, it counts? Oh my gosh, easy. It counts. Easy money. An ass class. $22 seconds, or what was that? Impossible. Oh, no joke. 25 seconds. I have a B class. Do I have a B class anyway? No, thanks. Oh, it's all difficult to say. This one is a piece of shit. Has a little bit more power, but whoa, forget about it. You found actually your friend.
Is that how you get the blueprints faster?
Hmm? For
Face
what kind
red
of a type?
droopy eyes.
Yeah, something like that.
If God Legends Unite pass for the next 5 days. And yes. Maybe. 5 better you get.
Or what was your question for dealing down for something else? You know, there are these, what's it calling, season missions, right? And if you download that, you get actually one blueprint of the
2-5
McLaren.
getting the blueprints.
Yeah, something like that. With the what's it calling? Asphalt Unite Pass or Asphalt Legend Pass. I paid actually $10.
And maybe 2-6.
And you get every day actually kind of little, you know, you get maybe 2 or 10 blueprints more than regularly with the Legend Pass. It's not worth, but
of dropping a raid.
I mean, this is kind of my 4th account in 7 months. I tried to go platin. So for 7 months I started actually with the first account, DjVolgin, then DefNation CB, Nitro'theBat. These 3 accounts have platin already in this 7 months. And this is the second time DjVolgin account and this DefNation4Real account has right now, yes, for 2 days ago, the Legend Pass on. So I have, this is my last account, my 4th account, to get platin actually on PlayStation platin. So I was saying, use these $10 again, you know, for the next year, January, it stops by 15th January. And you have, it's a little push up, but not much. Don't buy it. Don't buy it. Just regularly play your game without actually buying something, okay? My you know, after 7 months, I know what I'm talking about. I just was needing this done because I have so many games actually around. I just want to play in live stream. Of dropping, yeah, dropping rate, something like this, yeah. So as you see in the finish first daily events, you get just only this McLaren 750 Coupe, but in the same time you get actually, because the Legend Pass, I forgot, you normally get down below these stuff. I can't tell you, these are just changed already. You get these wildlight actually down below with your normal free pass you have, and with the Legend Pass I get actually more blueprints up below. That's actually all, you know, that's not much. That's seriously not much. A little Kickstarter actually to get faster platin. On my first account, the DjVolgin account, I was in actually 3 to 4 weeks. I was get platin already. And Need for Speed Takeshi Sato, DefNation CB, and a little bit actually DefNation4Real. It took another 5
I would prefer
months.
in higher speed of your cars. Face blue smiling.
Regularly for platin on PlayStation 4 or 5, you need 2 to 3 months for one account. Yeah. Pull more money into. If you don't get blueprints to pull the cars, you need to go to the career mode, right? And on career mode, I have very much trouble all the times, and it always costs like 800 flags you need, 30 cars you need, 30 cars you have to store up, and then 40 career seasons you have to be done with. So this is actually time very based on. These other ones, actually, these trophies are so easy to earn, but you need actually 800 flags, 40 career modes, 30 cars, 30 flagged up actually car, or better say, start up cars, and you know, one account took me actually over 2 months to get it, and my record was with the Legend Pass actually 3 to 4 weeks. That's all I can say. I like that game very much because I researched for 7 months ago on Rush from Codemaster, and OnRush is actually offline, the server, right? And so I was very pissed off, and I'm like to do CarX. This is actually a drift game, drift racing online, and I'm playing this since 7 years now, and I like it to play. Say right now I just was slip a little bit into this Asphalt Legends Unite, ALU I call it. So that was this year. I was maybe 1.5 months actually on CarX. At the same time, it's actually 7 months actually on these Asphalt Legends Unite. Still being actually close to a month now to the Elder Scrolls Online. As I was playing for 7 years as well on these hacked account, get a hacked away account DefRekka, and I have a history, man. So
not only the most NPCs are usually of a car.
After construction work, I need to chill up,
and
chill
yes.
down. Yeah, that's why you have touch drive. I'm sorry, sir. I need to go to pee. Be right back. I'm still actually with you, but need to go. Ah, my life, my life. I'm the best example, actually, not to drink, not to smoke, not to eat, not to play these games. Have fun with your family that I don't have. Construction work. That's actually my hobby, my time, like when I'm coming home, cleaned up the apartment, and playing these video games. That's actually all my life. Nothing else. Oh, don't forget eating and sleeping. Even porn get less, goddammit. If you're bored about actually, I'm not playing BGM, background music, I pinned on actually the top chat, live chat, my live stream, my live jam, it calls on Spotify. If you have Spotty or something, Spotify, then jam in. Directly you get actually my playlist, Asphalt Legends X.
Possibly too sick of dropping a raid of a car.
I think I would say as much, but I'm kind of a 30 meters actually away, but this is kind of hard to understand when you have earplugs in your ears, the headset over the earplugs. I understand that girl, but somehow she's not telling me the truth. Taking birth beard. That vocals are not right. I think that was for 3 days ago. Somebody else actually was explaining me that that girl is not speaking that stuff out when I'm typing right. PlayStation 4. I'm on a console. I'm not playing computer system. I never did. That was actually on BlueStacks. This Moss Action and the zombie game for a little while. But that's all for live streaming on the over the OBS or OSB.
Now if I'd like to donate, there is a box straight up for it, but no.
I'd just say 25%. You get more blueprints a day in 24 hours. That's all. Nothing more. Where was I? Oh, false core. Clickenhouse. Hey. Totally forgot what I have to be done with. Hold on a second. It's fucking cold. Open window. 1 degree outside. 5 degrees in my room. It's normal. We have to beat something. What's with the solo rewards? Here we go. 27. With a B class. Yeah, good luck out there. Oh, and here we go. Legends never die. What the hell? So if you got actually Spotify, get linked on. You open up actually.
You get the possible drop rates.
Stop these stupid %, man. I just tell you, if you have the Legends Pass, you have a day and 24 hours, a 25% more blueprints. Nothing more. And the chance to win something money. Nothing more. Don't buy it. Play the original game for a month more and you have fun. And don't forget the team pursuit. Since more than 3 months I was saying in the beginning, fuck that team pursuit. That gives you a lot of credits, a lot of actually tokens, a lot of blueprints, and actually a lot of fun. Po or normal driver on the syndicate, doesn't matter.
And as this car.
That's why we said Lytter Goldposten die next spielen. I'm just eating this done for this what's it called? Weekly missions? Monthly missions? I don't know. Music's too loud, I forget what I'm talking about. God thanks. Ganbarimas, sannolikt it's right. Jo.
To 9% you can get the car, and have you achieved it?
Come on, sweetheart. Let's keep it moving. I think we lost. 25 I say, right? Finish your daily events. Damn it, I think we lost it there. No, you don't. This is progress, man. 7 months I'm playing 4 accounts. I have on 3 accounts platin already on PlayStation. This is my 4th account. I'm playing this when I timestamped that actually on my live stream. I only live stream this games. Maybe there's actually 50 hours on it. And there's actually daily challenges, there's monthly challenges. You get cars that you never get actually over the normal game. There's like the Sonic event, the HoloLive event. There's these
Still
oh gosh,
letting you
can't
take
remember.
the special event.
Yeah, the special events, yeah. And there's actually every 2 weeks a special event here and there. I would say every month actually a good event. So I won the Glickenhaus by these monster event there on Halloween. That was for 1.5 months ago or something. Similarly, in the 7th month, I just was leaving down 3 accounts, but then this DefNation4Real came together as well for CarX, for Asphalt Legends Unite, and to be proof actually having platinized other games actually legal, not illegal, legalized without safe wizard. So that's why this account exists since 4 months now. And so Asphalt Legends Unite came into it like CarX as well. On CarX, this account DefNation4Real is the 5th account right now. RIP DefRekka. But you need time, you need time. So 2 hours a day, that is hardcore finance. You win a lot.
Try
if you're
to
just
build
playing
up
a half hour or
specific
something,
relationships for cars so you can build up your car. Free car.
No. Don't go to showroom. Showroom is a piece of shit. I am for the career. The career makes the platin. You need on career a lot of actually cars. But I say specialized cars. And if you don't have these blueprints getting won, then you are looking very bad, you know. So as you see right now on these legends pass right now, I just won actually these. Yeah, well, where? I can't. There's nothing. It's over. Actually, my live stream is over already. That's my live stream. Until next day. The live stream was over already an hour long. You don't understand what I'm talking, right? Okay, I'm stop talking then. That's bullshit.
Already.
Nothing to race anymore. Good night, goodbye. That's it. You have to wait for the next episode. Nothing to win anymore. These are ones. What? Nothing. Huh? I was saying something. It was on the left side. Missions. You have you done with the missions? Ah, you have to claim, that's why. The one blueprint. Here we go. That's it. The only thing we can do done is actually a little bit multiplayer or trying to go forward in the career. But as you see, you need a lot of cars, blueprints, blah 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 blah. I don't have. I thought actually all the times this is the Acura NSX, but they need the NSX GT3 ALU. Bastards. So you need the cars. I don't have. Wow, and then you need these cars. And the other 3 accounts, I had the awesome Mother Volcane. I don't know how I just won that. It's just a randomizing blueprint winning. That's the point. You can't just get into the game and saying, oh, I have one account I'm playing since 7 years, where I just playing 7 months in 4 accounts. So you guys, I see nobody else like myself in between 3 or 4 weeks to get a platinum on one account on PlayStation. This is actually the fastest run ever, actually on the whole planet. Somebody else get in 3 to 4 weeks a fucking platinum on this actually. And that was actually on knowledge, maybe in 2 weeks I get platinum, because I was actually 1 week long completely irritated what had to be done with the trophies. So you can deal done better. In 3-4 weeks, that was my record. Maybe you can deal done in 2 weeks, you have platinum in this game. But until I don't have these legend pass actually fitted perfectly actually on myself on DjVolgin at that time, get a lot of actually stuff. I was frustrated. The second week I just bought me the legend pass, and at the 3rd week to 4th week actually I was getting platinum already. I was into this. I was not actually away on the Elder Scrolls or other games like CarX or other Plus membership PlayStation games. I'm live streaming all the time, so you can make it, actually have it in 14 days platinum. What the hell? Still can't deal it done. And it's randomized what kind of a blueprints you get every day. That's the other stuff. Let's go. And it doesn't matter sometimes how high your rank is on everything in here. Sometimes you win in red condition. I did actually on Friday. On Friday I did actually 3 or 4 times ratings in red condition recommended. In red condition. Even orange is just actually a choose, like you say. I better get my fingers away for that one. So I promise you that I don't can win this one because I tried that more than 3 times actually on Saturday. But let's see. Ci so, kampanja šla, vi se ljudi so ljudko prosti nek špim. He's gone. This motherfucking car there. I crashed him once, and he's back like he's driving an ass car. Ah! You have to crash every car every 3 times. Actually, in this race, maybe you win then by 1 minute 50 or something. It's a small car, it's a Lotus, goddammit. It's not a Bugatti to crash every car easily. Have a real Newton meters or actually RPM. Instead, actually push you forward to 200 kilometers per hour. This car needs a long track actually to push you 100 kilometers per hour. There was a chance, I know. Yeah, I take it. Because I give up already this game. Gosh sake. Not a quitter. Pain in the ass. Lotus ER9. Yeah, whatever. It stalls already with a 2384. This game itself is so against you. That's why I hate that game. Not even reach from 5 stars a 1 star. I hate this game for that stuff. But the career and the daily events are hardcore. The rest is easy. Multiplayer or actually daily events, special events are easy. But the daily events and the career mode is hardcore. If you don't have the blueprints or special car that is even higher than a D or C rank, like actually an A or B or S rank, then you can give up. But the career needs all the times special cars. You can have an S car, you can have all S cars. In career, you need one definited Shelby or something, or actually right now the Lotus, and you need it actually specialed up to all the stars and ranked up like you have, and maybe then you can win. It's so bullshit. And that's a randomizer, like you actually win in the lottery. You get the blueprints or something for that car to rank it up. There's no showroom or something special events actually helping you out or multiplayer, nothing. It's just luck. And this is actually a guy that handles 4 accounts on PlayStation with the same game in 7 months. Already 3 times platinized. I know what I'm talking about. It's randomized. But I do done the best what I can do done. That's why the BGM is off, because I hate that music. I have it already in my playlist on Spotify a little while, mixed up with the other special race music I love so much actually, and new songs. So what on top chat, live chat, if you just see that pinned on, actually I just need done all the times in every live stream on racing my playlist. I think I have 45 playlists over the 11 years now. Enjoy it. Seriously, you will like it. Okay, you don't really like it when you say you're a hardcore metal fan or something, because this is actually kind of from techno dance, written music, there's spasmatic drum music there's genres in there actually you never heard about that. A little bit Russian, but you know, game Ost music, everything is mixed up, but fits actually for racing games. That's why I call it Asphalt Legends X, this playlist. Where for 2 years actually I stopped actually with the CarX drift racing music, because this game came up this year. Since May actually I'm fighting in this game. I like it, but I have so many games around actually on different accounts. It's like actually I have 4 Porsches in my apartment, being a construction worker in a while, working 11 hours every day, or in the compound, come home, clean up, and then playing video games like that. That is my life. I have no wife or girl or something around. Trist. I know. Fucked up. But it's okay. Nobody wants to hear the problem, so I just say all the time, it's okay, it's fine. It's a big problem, but it's fine. Look at me. It's just... I hate myself so hard. But I try actually give my best. Not quitting, a helping person a little while here and there. I think I'm a human or something. Still. Better like the other persons are running amok actually for a reason for religions or something. I don't think actually there's a god or something around. I hated him since my 6th year. But as I still actually, god damn it, Jesus, what the hell was that? So something is on it, right? But the builders, what's the humanity? Not a god. Right, let's try it again. Why not? Just for fun. Lotus versus Lotus. Tschüss abgefahren, das war wie sie wieder. Luke Gott, du hast dich nicht geschissen. Wer hat das jetzt gerade gesagt? Das geht doch wieder sauber gemacht. Oh gosh, please not. Just a joke. Bakok! I think it's easier to make done in the multiplayer to kick ass actually these, what they call an E9C or whatever they're called, these Lotus. Locus. Whoa, easy up. Yeah. Maybe win, maybe completely be losing. Gun bottom us. 1 versus 7. What the fuck? Was it 1 versus 5? Doesn't matter. Yeah, this car. What the hell? 1 versus 5. Yeah, thank you. Here we go. Pain starts. They're stopping me to go to the first. 1 versus 5. You're so fucked up, man. Thinking you're boss or something? Oh, what the fuck? And he's gone. Wow, he's just gone. They protect them as well. No slipstream, no nothing. Why you not crash, goddammit? Mistake. There was a mistake maybe on him. Oh, he's just gone. He's just. I hate that. Wow. Just boom. Why he's not crashing? Oh, what the hell? I'm losing again. Unbelievable. It's not possible. It's not possible. You need to store up the car on free. It takes a month. Doesn't matter about the legend pass. You need a randomized luck actually in this game to get blueprints on this vehicle for just 1 Lotus, and the next one is then the Corvette. The next one is actually this car especially. It's just luck. Fuck this game. Fuck it. I'm done. I'm so done with this. If you're playing this the 3rd time actually through in 7 months. It is so bullshit. Live stream proved. I'm just playing this game actually when I'm playing CarX. Every game I'm live streaming. When I'm starting up a live stream, then I'm playing a video game. I'm not playing a video game without a live stream. The last 2.5 years, not anymore. So it's actually last 7 years now. But I hacked away actually your DefRekka account. I can't go forward anymore. That's it. I need a month actually to get blueprints to go a little bit forward. Unbelievable. Sometimes the game says, oh, you did it already, actually 3 times on plotting, so we make it a little bit harder for you. Yeah. Fucking glassy human. We need to unlock 30 cars, 40 career seasons. Need to store up actually another 4 cars. And that's it. Yeah. But it takes forever. The most was 2 months with DefNation CB. You can do done multiplayer, whatever you want. It doesn't matter. You don't get your blueprints. This game knows exactly what it deals done with us. Micro cash-in it calls. I don't know why I'm playing this multiplayer. It's bullshit. You don't get nothing. Only some credits. And with the credits or asphalt points, you don't get actually some blueprints. See what the community says. My head hurts, man. 1953 right now. Even the Shelby has more power than actually your loaders, and I'm winning this one in here. What the fuck? So the career mode is actually double times harder. What the fuck? I'm not joking around, I have experience right now. I know what I'm telling. Very suspicious. See, the Shelby had 2,100. I have 1,900.
It is about
he's
skills.
Playing on he's playing on PC, and he's actually the leader in here. On PC you can cheat whatever you want. Whatever these counts are, there is the switch or something. These robot flags there under the player. I don't know. Paulinia 09 and DefNation4Real have a PlayStation 4 or 5. I don't know what that other signs are. Robot signs. It's not about skills. It's how you feel in real life. It's very cold here in Germany, Bavaria. I'm a construction worker, came home. Then I was going back to work, and then was coming back in here. I don't know, it's just, today is I can't actually slightly a way to say I get less weight actually. Same weight in the morning time, but 125 kilograms. It goes actually out actually in 125 kilograms for an hour ago on the weight. But that coldness, I can't sweat. Well, I claim, doesn't matter, I lost. At least I have headache as well. Typics, yeah, whatever, I'm talking anyway. It's just children's in here, right? But the beliefs are shit. Okay, that he was using for, I think. またこれはまたかすかたいわ。所有がですけど。あ、 Wow. What the hell is that? Yeah, I'm checking. You just say nothing. Is it bronze 2? Is it bronze 1? You don't can see it. It's just bronze league, silver league. I don't know where I am. Oh, it's a Corvette. Oh. Boo. Oh, it's a very slow poke. I think with the BMW, they let you win.
You gotta play till you get to that.
For what? To a heart attack? Having 36, actually, your woodcut facility. What the hell are you talking about?
You are in bronze 4.
Yeah, thank you very much. I don't know.
Laughing. It's just bullshit. This car got a crap drift. The career mode won't help you to progress a lot through this game. Asphalt is just your average P2W games LOL.
Yay, we won! Ha ha ha!
Yay! I am on PS4 to do platin. Four platinum I got in 7 months.
4 accounts, 3 times platin on the 7 months. This is my 4th account to get platin on PlayStation 4. Maybe. I think I get actually the 9th month when it goes full like this shit. Hey, that is something I tried actually for 2 days ago very hard. And now I just get it by luck. Thank you very much for watching a little while. And for commentaries, man. Thank you. Even your commentaries are like, you play on PC system, I play for trophies on PlayStation, man. Even you do on Xbox. These are actually trophies. Something you actually have on sport. I'm a construction worker. I'm dealing down my job to get money and doing my hobby system, and this is actually what I want to earn.
Yeah.
That's the point. If you play on PC, you only have your Steam points or Steam whatever trophies or medals or whatever. But on PlayStation since 2008, what was coming in, I was a trophy hunter. I'm not anymore. I lost so many accounts already, but doesn't matter. I love to see actually having a plotting to end up a fucking game where I actually have so many games a year, over 100, to want to play it. And I love racing games to drink alcohol and smoking my cigarettes, man. Enjoying the music and enjoying the race games like WRC or something. World Rally Championship, Formula 1 games, it doesn't matter. It needs to run like the beer in my stomach as well. That makes me happy. Since 2008 on Need for Speed Pro Street, I teach myself the English part, teach my Japanese a bit. Since there, the beer was running and smoking my cigarettes, having fun by music, and actually, people's actually around the world. I'm German, man. I'm Bavarian. What the fuck? But I'm a construction worker since 2002, man. But I was some sidekick ass wide open. Beer fixed and mixed with music, cigarettes, and good ambient with racing games. Oh, man. Get me to a drift. Get me to a drag race. Really competition, man. I'm there. But please give me a beer and enjoy that fucking smoke. I mean, from the tires, of course, of the cars. That's typical normal American. They say, I go to the donor or something that's crack, just to drag race and just drinking like shit, and your car was lousy. I love video games for that part. I'm playing a lot of RPG or whatsoever they're calling MMO or something. I played more than 2,000 games in the since actually these, I say, 14 years now. I know I'm talking for everything. Bless Unleashed was the game before I was playing actually these, what was it calling? That broke my neck on DefRekka account. Genshin Impact or something. This fucking South Korean shit game. That just hacked me away actually my account. 812 games. $75,000 just away of games. 13 years I was playing. The South Korean just stole and hacked my account away. Never playing again Genshin Impact. And after that I was playing Bless Unleashed and I was actually fine ass. And for 7 years ago actually I played actually these online mode for the Elder Scrolls and I was happy, but there was too many people in there. And now there's so less people in there. I am joining DjVolgin. It doesn't matter what it calls, but holy shit. I love. I'll be actually a video game at the same time. You know, I'm using 190 hours in a month as a construction worker, and in November it was 172 hours on live streaming video games. So 101, and cleaning up my apartment, fixed everything done, buying, and I don't know. This is my life. But I'm never gaining to an influencer. I'm just a live streamer, nothing more. A very unhealthy one. And not to be liked very much. I don't care. I don't want to earn money for that one. This is not my hobby. This is my what's it calling? When I have time, I play video games. I live stream them. Every day, mostly. And nothing special. Influencer is like, I want to make money with this. Forget about me, man. I'm just a funny ass sometimes. Oh, grumpy one. So very much thank you anyway for watching a little while, and yeah, comment. That was the most comment in December anyway. What happened today? On November, not even that was touched about these one. Thank you very much. Only by myself. Just typing the situation because I have my headset not on the Elder Scrolls Online. I hate it. I like actually to play GTA 5 to making actually my cab job done. But this is something else. It's like I don't have a license drive, and let's see what the person needs to actually go. And is there a shortcut or not? Let's deal done actually the mob like myself, the cab driver, the taxi driver. And I'm willing actually when it becomes the next time for 2 weeks for free time, the vacation time, I want to play GTA again for senseless or sinless playing the cab driver. Night. You too, man. Thank you very much for showing by, man. Thank you. Well, yeah. Have a nice time, man. Hope we catch sometimes, or just getting close a little while for talking. Thanks, mate. Thanks for the little information. LVN11, thank you very much for having you, man. Have a nice time. Will you zoom in his eye? Have a nice time. Good night. Arrivederci. My talking is in the basement. There's nothing actually moving anymore than lips. And now we can do the meters of drifting. 360 and 1 to go, but finish the race. Oh, it says finish the race. You don't need to win. It's a time attack. Oh, 3 times we have to have done that one. But it's a career, and we need careers. 16 times a career, you have to finish done then. Alright. 1 by 1. Okay. 300 meters to drift. 360 4 times in one go. And finish the race. But it's a time attack. So you can't be done. Do 3 of them and win the time attack. Especially in Osaka. It's impossible. With the crazy music of the Killing Floor 3. I feel a little bit gambling tonight. Yeah. I'm not done in here. Get over here! So, cheers up, Kapan, Strawberry Salute, so let's go Brust in Kissen. Let me see. Oh, man, we need another car. We can't do that. No! Okay. Boring. We need these, volcane then. How to win? They don't care. Do, 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 do. It doesn't matter. Benefits my ass, man. Holidays, my ass, man. Already won this one. Can't go forward anymore with these, right? Supra Hyundai Ioniq 5N. I don't have. This is, by the way, a road rally class of rally mode. A rally car here? How to win against actually the other one that have S cars. What the fuck? Oh, that was a present! No! Now I know where it is, okay? Where the hell are you going? Oh my gosh! My hands, my fingers are frozen! Open window, we have 2 degrees in my room. Impossible, man. You need a perfect car. You need to deal up actually the car, like actually already have a stage or rank 2 or something. You can't beat this time, man. It's stupid. I give up. Makes no sense to play it. No sense to play it. You already have the car or something else. It doesn't matter. Whatever you're driving at. I can't beat the time. It's bullshit. 1 versus 5. The hitting you, the edging you, it doesn't matter what you're getting done. You're losing so much time by get hit. Here we go, they hit you so hard, you're losing 5 seconds already. And they're winning as well. The other guy's already first, and he's just actually 10 seconds in front of us. What kind of an unfairness is this? Yeah, of course, he's driving over dirt and he's not losing seconds. Peter race time of 1:35. I did a 1:30. Oh, that's a wrong car. Wow, 1:24. Alles klar. What the fuck? Impossible. Yeah, claim whatever you want to claim. I gave up. This game is dead for me. No star today. No star. Thanks for nothing. It gives you nothing, it brings nothing to play it. It is bullshit. I'm freezing my ass off, man. I need a second shower after 2 hours. Perfect blue. They give me nothing. You have to be perfect. You have to be perfect every millisecond. Every millisecond you have to be perfect in this game. Fuck this game. Fuck this game. Every millisecond you have to be very fast and accurate. This game makes no fun. No fun anymore. Since 5 months they're just making something out of these updates and upgrades. You have to be perfect as shit. This game is not for beginners. Forget about it. Don't buy it, don't make something out of it. I'm very disappointed. Months long. Second time Legends as well pass I just get. The first month and now the 7th month on another account. Not worth. Not worth. Fucking Frost game. This game is a piece of shit. That's why nobody makes a review anyway on it. No wonder. You don't need it. You need a lot of time on yourself. You love it or hate it hardcore. There's no mission behind it. Racing and we get stupid. Out there since 7 to 8 years now and being still stupid. Money cash in machine for Frost. Useless game. Gehen wir sie mit sonst mal hinterher. Ja, warum bin ich wohl der Erste? Weil ich Berg heiße, aber das ist was anderes. Die lassen mich rein, weil die wissen auch genau, wenn ich nicht durchkomme, kommt keiner von denen durch. Aber ich habe kein Problem damit. Ich bin der Gentleman. Die lassen mich schon. Und ich werde es genießen. Da komme ich großer. Ist fett gewogen. Wenn ich tauglich auf der Baustelle bin, ich muss gleich selber zum Lachen anfangen. Die können ja nicht mal 10 Kilogramm schleppen, wo ich 50 bis 80 Kilogramm schleppe. Und das ohne, dass ich irgendwie ausschnaufen muss. Wird lustig. Geschädigt höchstwahrscheinlich durch die Kälte. Bitfrozen. Fängt der auch schon an. Also ich hab dich doch erst aufgeladen. Alter, ich brauch Feuerzeug jetzt. Da bitte nichts zu tun, Alter, die wollen nicht mehr. Die sind ja schon 3 Jahre alt. Bei der Kälte verstehe ich es auch. Es hat jetzt 2 Grad in meinem Raum. 2 Grad. Kein normaler Mensch würde sowas sich antun. Und ich hocke noch mal im T-Shirt da. Keiner wird sich das antun. Lauter Muschis und Verweichlichte, Alter. Kannst den Schnee werfen, Unterhosen los. 2 Stunden später werde ich dir deine Haut runterrupfen von deiner warmen, dreckigen Scheißhaut, Alter. Mit meinen kalten Bratzen, Alter. Ich bin ja so erzogen worden, Alter. Ich war nur Viech, mehr nicht. Bin ich schon so fett geworden, Alter, will ich mal zerreißen. Das Glück, dass ich so überzuckert bin. Die Flamme mal ein bisschen brennen, Alter. Richtiger Nachtzünder wie beim Auto, Alter. Umso kälter es ist, umso schwieriger tut sich's probieren, oder? So schaut's aus, Junge. Roll, my friend, roll. Scheißhaus, Lighthouse. Grad in meinem Raum. Wo unsere 30 Grad jetzt gerade an. Tja. Sollte doch alle erfrieren. Was second? Just 1 second. I was slower. Uh-oh. One second slower. Oh my god. Just be right back. I need to go to pee. And the loser of the... It's not even. I'm growing. Even I'm losing. What the fuck? Knock on the door. Rise. Yeah. Muss jetzt mal Klopapier in den Bild bringen, oder was? Das kann ja sein, oder? Auf die Baustelle. Alter. Ich bringe auf die Baustelle schon Klopapier mit, das musst du mal geben. Wie verschissen die eigentlich sind. Krank! Ich nehme schon Geld mit auf die Baustelle und verdiene halb so viel wie in Kurzarbeit. Ich verdiene kein Geld. Kann man das ein? Also dann bleibe ich auch länger hocken und schreibe durch, weil das in der Frechheit ist, Alter. Precies een beetje. Natürlich. Dieser verdammter Wichser. Dreckiger Cheater. Und PC fährt sich leicht, ne? Voll. Ohne Scheiß, vor allem die scheiß Atombomben, Alter. Die ganze Welt. Das ist langweilig, wieso dermaßen diese Scheißwelt. Da hat der Rassisten unterwegs und ihre ist lahm. Die Chinesen unterstützen das auch noch. Money Cash in. Das wird Zeit, Alter. Kompletten Blowout. Keiner mehr irgendwelche Wohnungen beziehen kann. Respect. So wie Shiner. Shiner, Shiner, Shiner. Wir profitieren null. Im Gegenteil. Alles fällt den Bach runter. In 20 Jahren sind wir das Schlachtfeld für China, Amerika und Russland. Wir werden den Dreck runtergezogen. Danke, dass ihr euch sehr viel Mühe gegeben habt, unsere Daten zu stehlen. Wir sind dann nichts mehr wert. Dann fangen wir doch jetzt auch schon an, industrielle Sachen abzubauen. Machen wir doch eh schon mit Atomkraftwerken in Deutschland. Das gefällt euch sehr. Ihr könnt 30.000 davon aufbauen. Und dessen wir schon abbauen. Muss einen Grund gegeben haben, warum Deutschland das macht. Aber ihr seid dann 200 Jahre danach. Habt keine Ideen mehr. Ihr macht doch nur alles nach.
Room temp 2 degrees. Bit cold. -3 degrees outside. Bye. I quit, hope soon live too.